but they're completely different. So here you are here. Dave's tube and everybody else's tube, the weight goes in first. This is totally backwards. And everybody that watches me do it tries to do it the first time and they mess up. In this way. Feed it down. I come out off center, because off center makes it go down in the water in a circle rather than straight down to the bottom.
Right.
Well, that wasn't long after it hit the water, was it? Huh?
No.
You didn't have a chance to move it, did you? Ooh, that sounds like a keeper. Yeah, for sure. He touched that as soon as it hit the water, didn't he? That rascal.
You sure did. Here. He's been caught before. He's got some kind of little rub-a-dub wound here.
Something on the other side too.
He's got a screwed up eye. Little spot on this side, rub-a-dub. He's definitely had better days.
Ooh. Boy, that was a great sound. That was just like the other one that he hit the second he touched the water.
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
Instantaneous.
Instant.
Huh?
Instant. They can't help it. They just love this thing.
Well, as fast as they hit it, they don't really know what it is. I don't think. It's just pure reaction.
Right where I'm putting it, you know.
They haven't even seen it move yet.
Exactly.
It's like they're thinking a bird dropped it or something.
Exactly.
You know?
I knew I got hit on the first. I knew it.
Huh?
I knew I got hit. I knew it. I'm like, huh? You got hit already. Right when it landed.
Yeah. Well, there's another one, bigger following him. I think, unless it was just the top of a tree that I saw.
Don't know. Don't know.
Heard that one. Ooh, man, he sounded serious. Huh?
That's a keeper.
Rattle trap one?
Top one. So little though.
think I don't put it in the
Belly.
freezer? What?
His belly, dude.
Huh? Oh yeah.
Belly.
Huh?
Got the lure.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that was a hell of a guess.
About to save him right now.
Huh?
I'm about to hook him up right now.
He's gonna totally freak out.
You might just have to cut the line, but
Boy, that was a hell of a call you made. It's okay, calm down. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Wow.
gotta help a friendly bird out here, you guys.
Take it easy. Oh,
Can you
god
hand me
damn. Look at that.
The pliers?
Huh?
Can you hand me the red pliers?
Sure. That's alright. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Alright. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright.
Got a towel over.
You got a towel. Huh?
I got a towel, but
Calm down. It doesn't bite you. If you throw a towel over his head, he probably won't do anything.
right there. Yeah, he's ready to bite. He's ready to bite. Towel or shirt or... Look right there. Look right there. There might be a towel.
In the
Right
big,
there.
in the big
Yeah,
one?
Exactly. Right there. Right under that. Inside the bucket.
I don't think he could do anything once you got a towel over his head.
Inside the bucket.
Inside the bucket? No, I was thinking like a beach towel.
No, I don't have it.
Nothing in the bucket.
Whatever it is.
Here's a t-shirt.
You know what we'll do is you use the net, keep his face away from me. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Wow, look at how he picked that up. He picked up on the fact that he was stuck on something. Absolutely right. Just call that one. I thought it was peculiar. I just thought he was so fat and happy. He was just... Huh?
His head away.
Come on. Don't get up on him. Come on. You all right? Come on. Maybe if you'd even just cut off a toe, he would be fine.
Give me a towel.
Like one of his toes, because it's hooked on like a, you know what I mean?
Even if you just keep his head up, I'll be able to get this.
Yeah, I hear you. Come on, take it easy. Don't have a heart attack. Don't have a heart attack. Try not to hurt him.
Get the,
I ain't gonna do it.
keep his head away from me.
Just cut his toe.
No. There you go, bud. See ya.
Good job. It just came loose finally?
No, I flipped it. I flipped over it. You can have that. That lure.
That was cool. We did our good task for the day. See you later. Yeah. Yep.
Sure.
Put that down to a science.
What's that?
You won't break your leg.
Nice keeper here.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Two pounder.
What? that bad boy.
Yeah. Tell nobody where we're at.
I don't know where we're at. Getting better, look, isn't he? He's growing.
He's pretty big.
Huh?
That's the whole time. Smallmouth. Beautiful smallmouth.
Huh?
Beautiful smallmouth.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Beautiful smallmouth. Alright. Smallmouth on this new bait. New Tungsten River to Sea rattle trap. That's the first fish I got on this bait.
Still made by Rattle Trap?
No, River to Sea.
What do you say?
River to Sea.
River.
Yeah.